What's going on, YouTube? Today we're at beautiful Beaver Lake once again. We're gonna go try to dangle up some bass today. I think the issue today is it's a hotter day out. It's a lot warmer than it's been pretty much all spring. We're in the late stages of spring now, but I don't know if they're gonna be off the bank or right up on the bank or spawning. I'm not too sure what they're doing right now. But we are going to give her a shot in the Ojon boat. Recently redone. You got some few irons to knock out if you want to come show the folks this. That's pretty bad. Or fall. Either one works. We got a few bugs to iron out, but she is coming along really good. I'm going to quit yapping and get to fishing. I forget that. We're not in my truck. Switching to the old crankbait. Oh, that's nice. That's real pretty. Oh yeah. I should have checked the settings on this. That is bad. Might want to try to adjust your settings. Oh my gosh. This is why we don't buy Ozark Trail stuff.
Is that Ozark Trail reel?
Yes. Dude, it does not even a backlash, it's just knots up. I blew my one shot.
That across you.
Here, come over here.
Yeah, let me see your pole.
Drop it. There you go. Yeah, trying to mess me up, huh?
No.
Oh, I just got hit. Oh my gosh, no! He came off! Oh. Turn the camera on.
Fish on.
There we go.
You good?
Yeah, oh yeah. No, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Is that mic up top blinking green?
No.
It's not?
Oh, I mean, it's got a green light.
Yeah. That's fine. No, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. No, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that.
Oh yeah, dude. That's what's up.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice fish, dude. What is he, 2 pounds?
Yeah, 2.5.
Yeah, man.
Did you click record?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is the first go on this, so
It's still going.
it's a nice fish right there. First one of the day. It's a good way to start the day, huh?
Just go away.
All right, send her back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Fish on.
Oh, you got one on? Oh, God. Hunter has a fish on. Keep him down, keep him down, keep him down. Oh, dude, that's a nice, another nice one. Sorry, I'm trying. Oh, that's,
Mouth him.
oh yeah, now you got that bottom hook. Hold on. Show the folks at home what you just caught.
Heck yeah, man.
Good fish.
It's good size.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Yep.
You want him?
Yep. Oh, he came off.
Dang, brother.
How did he come off?
Hey, what is this, dude? I just want to turn it on. Actually, trying to turn the camera back off.
Hold on. Do what?
That little twisting I didn't mean to turn that. I turned that trying to put it to your camera.
Oh, yeah, something's eating it. Yep, fish on. Yep.
Fish on.
Oh, yeah, he's pulling hard.
Good size.
I don't know, I haven't seen him yet. Oh, yeah, he's another good one.
Oh, bro, that's what's up.
Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down.
Oh, yeah. There it is, man.
Go ahead and just call me Jacob Wheeler. Another nice bass, another good one. Thanks for playing, buddy.
Yeah.
I'm on. I'm on.
Good size.
Nah, he's small. He's fighting hard though. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Stop doing that. Let me grab you. It has been a grind. It has been one heck of a grind. It's probably the last fish of the day, huh?
Probably so.
Well, this is... I can't even tell what species he is. I don't even know how to tell the species.
That you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll